Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert a comment in a cell in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to leave notes, provide feedback, or add context to specific data without cluttering your actual spreadsheet. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you've entered your login details, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, take a moment to locate the spreadsheet where you want to insert your comment. Simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. This will load your file and bring you into the main editing view where you can see all your data laid out in rows and columns. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a second or two to fully load, so just be patient while Google Sheets prepares your document. Once your spreadsheet is open, the next step is to click on the specific cell where you want to add your comment. This is important because comments are always attached to individual cells, making it easy for collaborators to see exactly which piece of data you're referring to. After selecting the cell, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find various options for editing and formatting your sheet. In that top menu, locate and click on Insert. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for adding different elements to your spreadsheet. From this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Comment. Go ahead and click on Comment. This action will open a small comment box right next to the cell you selected, ready for you to type in. Now it's time to input your comment. Type whatever note, question, or feedback you want to leave in that comment box. You can be as detailed or as brief as you need to be. Comments are perfect for asking questions about data, explaining calculations, or flagging items that need review. Once you're done typing and you're satisfied with what you've written, click the comment button at the bottom of the comment box. This will save your comment and attach it to that cell. And that's it. Your comment is now visible to anyone who has access to the spreadsheet, and they can reply or resolve it as needed. This simple feature makes collaboration in Google Sheets much more effective and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.